I promise that you'll never find another like me.
Hello, honeycrunchers! I've been loving Taylor Swift and Brendon Urie's newest song, Me, and when I watched their performance at the 2019 Billboard Music Awards, I just fell in love with Taylor Swift's holographic performance outfit. And I decided to do a nail art inspired by it. Okay, so for my base, I used a silver holographic nail polish. Then grab a piece of plastic or foil and apply the first color. Then apply a colorless nail polish, then mix it. This will make the red nail polish less opaque. Then apply it onto your nails just like this. Then do it with the rest of the colors. But if you have a jelly nail polish, you don't have to mix your colored nail polish with a colorless nail polish. Then to make it more holographic, apply a fine holographic top coat. Then after letting that dry, apply a layer of your favorite top coat. And that's how I did this look. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. If you missed my me-inspired nail art, I'll link it on the card section. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!